Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT in blade silver metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start here at the trunk. The customer that traded the vehicle in previously bought it from us many years ago and came back and has purchased another vehicle. So he added a cold air intake to the vehicle. So this is the original air box here. And then we've got the front plate mount, which is currently off, so there's no holes drilled in the front bumper of this car. So it's up to you whether you want it stuck on, if you want to drill holes, or if you want to get an underplate mount. So that's a great thing that hasn't been done. So I'll just close up the trunk here, and we'll have a look from the back. So the taillights are on right now, so they're nice looking taillights. We've got the chrome exhaust tips with the Corvette logo on the centerpiece there. It looks great. And we'll start over here on the first rim. So no curb rash, no issues, looking great. Painted rotors, painted calipers, and brand new Michelin Pilot Sport ES3 Plus tires. So that's awesome. And here at the passenger side, so we've got the Corvette kick plate there. We've got power windows, power door locks, and electronic door poppers there. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. So with this one, we don't have any books. And for those that want to know, there's the RPO codes there. So you've got that. And we've got the nice upgraded Corvette mats in fabulous condition down there. Just hop out. Close this one up. I'll let you have a look at the door. So nice looking door in great shape. We've got the little louver there on the side on the fender, and there's your front rim. So no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers. And here we are at the engine. So 6.2 liter LS3 V8, 428 horsepower paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. So looking great, nice and clean under here. Have a look around. And this is the K&N air filter that the previous customer upgraded there. So that looks great. Let's close up the hood here. Perfect. So in terms of issues on the front, let's see. Might be a mark here or there, but I think that's a little tiny mark there. Nothing crazy. Down at the bottom, you know, little mark there and there, but outside of that, it's in really great condition. And the headlight, there is a little bug that is stuck in there, just so you know. It does not come out. They are sealed headlights. How it got in there is a mystery, but I just want to share that with you. So here we are at the front wheel. So again, no issues, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers, and brand new Michelins. And same thing here on the back. So there you are. And here we are at the driver's side. So power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and electronic door release. And there's that nice Corvette kick plate there, and the nice Corvette mats. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's fire this one up. All right. So we've got push button start over here. Fires right up. And there we are. So this one has 74,914 kilometers on it. And let's have a look. So we've got paddle shifter here and here. We've got audio controls down there. You've got your trip option and additional MFI settings up here. Over here we've got the radio. So there's the radio. That works. And there's your climate control. I'll just move this out of the way so you can see. That's perfect. So that's all there. Cup holder is here. There's the key. And automatic transmission. We've got traction control off. We've got the center console with 12-volt socket up here, and you do have an auxiliary line in over here as well. There's your mirror, so you've got OnStar on there, auto dimming rearview mirror. So if we click that, that'll turn that on and off, and we've got lights up there and your compass up there. So that's great. And let's just hop out and I'll show you the roof. So with the roof, this is a manual roof. So under here, there's a little button right there. It pops this open. It's nice and easy. So you just grab the roof and pull it forward and up. this one just tucks down in there. Perfect. So that's closed. And I'll hop back in and lock that up. So up here, there's a lock. You just pull that like so. Lock it in place. Perfect. And I'll put the windows up. Let you have a look with the roof up. And there it is with the roof up. Fabulous looking car. There we are. Sounds great, nice and quiet. Great looking machine. So here we have it, folks. 2012 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT convertible, blade silver on black leather interior, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.